Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. I'm Eva from Permaculture Haven here in Pacific Haven, Queensland, Australia. And today's video will be about my winter vegetables at the end of the season and how I deal with them to ensure I've got lots of food of the animals next season, next winter. So we just jumped into the beautiful spring here in Queensland, and yeah, I show you how I deal with the remaining winter annuals in my annual vegetable garden and food forest. So stay with me. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, you will also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and yeah, obviously here and YouTube. If you subscribe, you will find more videos about all sorts of permaculture stuff. So yeah, let's get into it now. So we are here just at the front of my mandala garden, and you can already see the beautiful coriander which went to flowers, and I have harvested plenty and frozen some and so on, but left some of them go to flowers to support the insects. They have lots of food, and we will have lots of new coriander next season. Yeah, I can still harvest the leaves, obviously the flowers as well if I like to, but there will be lots of seeds, and I have it already everywhere. It's a third year I'm having coriander, and yeah, not seeding, not growing, not caring about, it's just go with the flow. This is the rocket lettuce. We also still harvesting the leaves. They are still really yummy and with lots of flavor, but it's also going to flowers and seeds, so we will have lots and lots of new rocket lettuce next season, next winter. And here you can see the daikon radish went crazy. I harvested lots of seeds already from this one, so I like to harvest them like that when I see that it's really good fat seeds inside, and let them dry in my pantry, and then peel and store the dry seeds in the fridge in a paper bag. And always working really good. I don't let them all here sitting until they dry and go, because yeah, some of the bugs love to eat them, so I have to care about them. But most of the other stuff, it's basically growing and reseeding by itself already. So, but I always take some of the seeds and make sure I have enough in case they don't come up next season or next winter or autumn. So for some might this be a really messy garden, but I love it because I know I will have lots of food next season when I let these guys grow, and the insects are also happy with it. It usually says, I got told that you should have from some of the plants like the bok choy or the radish at least 12 plants going to seeds to ensure you have a healthy growth next season, and yeah, healthy seeds as well if you mix them. But this is not always true, it looks like, not for all plants, because this is the best example. I had only 2 parsnips, let them grow to seeds, and yeah, distributed the seeds straight away when the plant went to seeds, and I've got really beautiful parsnips going on everywhere. So I will ensure I have more plants going to seed this season than the last one, to make sure they really mix and I have a healthy growth. But yeah, if you don't have 12 radishes or 12 bok choys or whatever, because you harvested most of them and you only got a couple, so it's really worth to try this let it grow way of gardening, because it might save you lots of work. These are actually the cabbages here, and there is I think it's a broccoli. These are the seeds I just threw in the garden without caring, and yeah, it looks like we will have some more veggies here. So yeah, this is the way of the gardening. By the way, I can show you my beautiful Cape gooseberry, which is gone crazy. And I'm harvesting lots of these guys every day just from this one plant. So it took 1/4, oh, it's huge, maybe not 1/4, but a large size of the garden, of the mandala garden, but I love it. So a quick peek into the garden before we go any further. And the same with dill. Harvested and frozen lots and lots of it, and didn't plant any at all for 2 or 3 years already. They all just grow how they want, where they want, and I'm just enjoying the harvesting. Also the same with the lettuce. Going into flowers. This is the mustard leaf. Here also the chia seeds. If I want to, I harvest some of them. This is the chia, but most of them I just let it grow. And that's it. The same with the flowers, the cosmos flower here just grew from these guys here, which I, by the way, let sit still because the praying mantis are about to hatch very soon. So yeah, I let them, of course, because they are very beneficial. The same here with the cranberry hibiscus. It also grows by itself. It's great for tea and stir fries. The pigeon pea, of course, the birds love it. I don't even care about peeling them, just always cutting the branches when I see the dry peas over there. And yeah, it's getting more bushy. Some peas are going into the bottom, and yeah, growing next plants. Also the borage. Also the sword lettuces, that's the Chinese sword lettuce, very delicious food. You can eat it raw or in stir fries. Look at them, they are all self-seeded from the last season, from the large plant I had growing over here. So yeah, these guys all are flowering, fresh seeding happily, and yeah, we have less work, less care, and more food. Look at it. This is the mustard leaf, the delicious mustard leaf we were enjoying the entire winter, and it's full of seeds. So I can take some of them and just throw them around for the next season to grow, or I just let them, they go with the wind and grow where they want. It's that easy. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the little video. So let it grow, let your garden go crazy, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please put a thumb up for me, don't forget it, and also to share. I will have a look for some delicious mulberries and have some now. And you take care, and wishing you all the best with all your garden products. Take care. Bye bye.